उड़े खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे।
Who designed this alarm? NASA? 8:30? Oh no, not again. How come it's morning already? I'm awake, universe. Are you happy now? Wow, look at you. Queen of chaos. Where's the toothpaste cap now? Shut up! I'm already burnt out. You don't have to join in. Ouch! Of course, how could I miss this? Why does my life feel like a survival game?
Sadhguru, why do mornings feel like survival game?
Huh? That's oddly specific.
Even the simplest processes of life could be greatly entangling. Simple things. Getting up in the morning, turning up the blinds, brushing your teeth, using the toilet, breakfast. If you work. From the moment they wake up to the time they are finishing their breakfast, which is usually just a question of an hour or two, many people are at the peak of agitation. Isn't it so? Yes? Nothing has happened yet, no calamities have struck yet, you haven't met your boss yet, This is not because there is something wrong with your life, because nothing has gone wrong yet in the day. It is simply because that's the nature of the mind. If you allow it to rule you, that's how you go, there is no other way. It doesn't matter whether the life situations are going well or not going well. So, if this is the nature of your mind and this is the way life is going on, definitely it's time. Definitely it is an urgent need in everybody that they must look at the very nature of their life with a much deeper perspective, with a much deeper penetration into it. Isn't it so? The time has come, isn't it? Most people don't realize that the time has come. They think they can do it next year. They think they can do it after 2 years. There is no such thing. If you value your life, the time has come.
I got your point, Sadhguru. But my cab should be here in 7 minutes.
That's sufficient. Starting the 7 minutes miracle of mind meditation.
When I stopped fighting the world in my head, the world outside became much quieter.